We're done with our test and tune, starting to get ready for our bracket racing.
Double step! I don't know.
So you saw the red light. It was a 0.010 red light. And I dialed a 788 and ran a 787 with a 6. And that's the end of the race for me. I don't know how long the other camera worked to watch the rest of the races, but we'll see. End of the season too. Gotta wait all winter now to race again.
That bike is quick.
There was only 2 juniors that wanted to compete, so this was the first round and the final round. Listen carefully at the top end of the track. He's already learned how to play the top end of the track.
Let's go. Charlie gets the 2 out of 3.
Well, as you can see, my camera battery went dead and we missed the last of the race. The finals came down to the gray motorcycle and the black with green stripe dragster. Before I answer that, if you're new to this channel, White Barracuda is mine, the one that, what'd they say? I double stepped, and then of course I punched the can't say wonderful. Then I punched the good, wonderful red light. So the dragster and the gray colored motorcycle were the finals, and I'm not positive, but I'm fairly sure
that the dragster broke out and the motorcycle won it. I wish it would have been me that won it, but that's racing, and that's the end of this season. What else? I went to the Bonneville Salt Flats. I haven't been out to Salt Flats ever. This was a new experience for me. Tom Zabornik, which is the one that uses the scrubber and sprays the VHT down at the track, has a streamliner that he races at the Salt Flats. I interviewed Tom on his streamliner and how it all started, how it all came about, how he made his first streamliner and the issues that he had with it and what he learned to make the streamliner that he has now, how the streamliner is powered, which might surprise you, and it was a good time. Look out for that one. It'll be up soon. It's a real good one. Worth watching, I think. And that's it for now.